Alright, man. We know Marinette Gaming's not here yet, but we will find Marinette Gaming. And what did this? Wait. Everyone? What the heck is that bloody sound? I kind of sound quietly. Wait. Is that? Who is this person? The Waffy just don't cares. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I know that hair. It's... Wait. He's alive?
I, it's Noctis. Call him Noctis.
Right.
Yeah.
Wait, give me a minute. Everyone who made that game is back in the dead. He's ready. Finally came back. I don't know what happened to him, but his hair is turned black. I don't know what happened to him.
I mean, it was black before. So how does that make sense?
I mean, put him back. We'll take him to the hospital. Let me take him. Okay, it's kind of a little bit heavy. I don't know how much they're loot in there. So almost
I'm not really fat. I mean, I'm just very skinny.
Oh. Good God. We're almost there. Villager status report. What happened to him? I don't know, sir. I don't use math. Then get to math already! Okay, almost there. Almost there. So, man, we're Republic scums. What are you all doing? Just talking? Okay. Come on, come on. And I'll put you in this bed right here. Come. Here. Okay, there we go.
Why is it dirt?
Okay, I got my milk out. Oh, geez, yeah, out of my way. Okay, let me give it the milk. Yeah. It doesn't work.
I can't drink it. I'm just completely... I can't even drink it. I can't even do anything. You have to put...
Okay. So I have to put them in the mouth. Yeah. It's alive. Hello, Marinette Gaming.
What the hell? Where am I? And
Oh.
who are you?
You really don't remember me? I tell you where I remember. It's me.
What?
I'm back, baby. Do you remember anything that I catch you do all the time?
You son of a bitch. What do you want?
Do you remember we really team up?
I don't remember who you are, but I have a bad feeling about this.
Guys, what happened in Marinette Gaming's memory? You don't say anything, do you?
Get me out of here.
No, calm down. I'm not here to hurt you. Calm down. You in a Republic base.
And why do you put me here?
Because I see you, you're ready to teleport right here, you're ready to escape. I don't know what you up to,
I don't remember getting teleported.
I don't know either. I don't know how I found you. Okay. Calm, you don't know what happened here, but you remember last time we really stopped a Fault Boy guy.
Oh, the Boat Boy?
Yes. Now you remember? We team up?
This must have been a long time, right?
Yes, a long time. Now he's back.
This must have been about 10 years, you know?
Yeah, 10 years, that's the
Right?
Republican. Yeah, so 10 years of the Republican separatists already defeated. The separatists always the end of the Republic. Happened to all the Jedis are
So
died.
what happens now? Like what do we have to do?
Now we have to stop for the Fault Boy, for it's too late.
Wait,
But the Dark Squid
is he
supposed to be...
reborn?
He's back in the dead. I don't know how he's back, but have one more. There's more enemies we up against. Dark Squid we up against. You remember the Dark Squid?
I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Can you please let me out and just I want something. I want to do something, man.
Okay.
I just don't feel like staying here. Please.
Well, this is a hospital.
Where are you going?
You can get out of bed.
Okay. What the hell is this place?
This is a Republic base, and we are supposed to be Republic turned into the UNSC now.
What team are you in?
The Banish.
You're not my teammate.
Man, I gaming. Listen. I already elaborate. Okay, you'll go first. You can say it.
Here, one of my friends invited me. I'm gonna have to invite you there. But what? You know, I know who the British Army is. You're the one who's been fighting me ever since.
Well, that's beside the separatists.
We never teamed up. Not even once.
Now we're ready to team up now.
How am I gonna trust you?
Because
you are the one who fought us. Your team were always searching for me, trying to torture me and execute me. And how am I gonna team up with you? You really think I'm that stupid?
I'm not going to execute you. I promise. I will not do that anymore.
I believe you anyway.
Wait. Because I have no feelings. Actually, no. I possibly my memory skills are keeping it in my mind. Remember back in the past, and you're already supposed to be we just young, and we growed up.
How about you just let me go and just fuck by myself?
No,
I can handle
no, you can't. When you don't know what's out there.
I'm fine. I beat a big ass mountain. I'm fine.
No. The Dark Squid looking for you, and the False Boy trying to looking for you. They're trying to find you. They will kill you and capture you. Trying to know about your plan and knows about your location, your friends. I will not allow it to stop the Dark Squid. And Dark Slayer. Do you remember the Dark Slayer?
No, not that
He
I
saved
know
your
of.
life.
Ooh, I don't know who that is. I've never even seen his face.
He's a Republic soldier.
Well, show me who he is.
Well, he's really not here, but down he betrayed the Republic.
Well, I don't have time for an argument. Can you just tell me where the restaurant are? I'm fucking hungry.
Alright. They have a food with you?
I don't have anything.
Follow me. This is the supplies area beside the hospital. Supplies. Now the Republic.
What is wrong with this guy just spinning around?
I don't know. They're having some bad drugs over there. No one takes... Remember, no one's taking allowed. No drugs allowed. Okay.
What the hell is this place? That stinks.
They're not stinks.
Ew.
No, they're not stinks. It's just dirt.
Oh, God. What the hell is this place?
Okay. Let me move. Okay. I think I'm gonna meet. Alright. I got a meat for you. I got a meat for you. Here. There's only that I have.
This is not gonna last long, but whatever.
Come with me. Right now, I know last time you didn't trust me. Last time I wanted to be my old Lord Cameron's
I don't
orders.
trust you because you and your team were fighting me ever since. How am I gonna trust you like this, huh?
Cameron only supposed to be a leader from a banished. Cameron found me.
What is this? What is this?
This is a Republic satellite. The people get air unit to get land. Okay, Uncle, you go first. Let's go upstairs. Now, this is the Republic base. General, what do your status? You didn't say anything, too. Wow. Wow. Now, your people just think is I'm a villain, then trust me, too. Wow, I trying to stay nice to him. Okay. This is supposed to be army meeting. This is our meeting right here. The Republic meeting.
I don't feel like staying here. Just don't want to be here at all.
Marina Gaming. Last time your people will rise up and to stop me for everything. Now, we have to team up, work together at the team. We stop a fault boy.
Oh, not to mention, can you give me like Ender Pearl, because that's just what I mainly do.
All right, let me grab it. One for you.
I don't have my teleporting points. I call these Phoenix Downs. Those things, we call them Phoenix Downs.
All right.
Whenever we die, we can at least revive ourselves like this. So.
All right. Now listen carefully. Now, do we know we still enemies? Now we have to work together as a team. Stop this fault play. Now the end of this battle, we can bring peace to the end.
Is there any other way to beat him without me getting involved into this shit?
There's only way we can defeat him with our crystals. The crystals supposed to be a powerful crystal, legendary power. Your crystal supposed to be stronger. Right now, I have to find a crystal for my creation of leadership.
So what am I supposed to do?
Well, for us, is you have a crystal. You got found 2 crystals all together. Defeat the Folk Boy. Then we at the end of it.
Am I supposed to like find how many good crystals do I have to find?
You already have the crystal, but we have our crystal. I have a crystal. Then this crystal is supposed to be missing.
Oh, you're saying that I have the crystal?
Yes, the crystal inside of your heart, called the leadership crystal. Powerful, legendary hero to never stop.
Wait,
never
is it
dies.
because of my father who had like the same crystal?
Yes.
Why does this country have to be attacked?
But, anyways. Commander! What is it? We found something infection. Defection is supposed to be in the base. They're ready to gather resources. Infection of the Dark Squid Army. They're thinking of building a nuke over there to the other neighbors. A nuke? From where? I don't know. I think a nuke for fall of Dark Energon. Right. Now wait, this is our mission. Let's go. Happened we never stopped the nuke. The nuke will blow up in the ground. Inside the nuke, there are Dark Energon. That means infected. That means it turn into zombies and kills people. Kill innocent people. Where we go this door?
Wait, did you move my sword?
Now,
I don't
listen.
see anything at all.
That's right, to the vehicles. For it's too late.
You mean it's too late?
Before it's too late, we have to still have more time. Yeah, we got somebody weapons. You can need armor. Upgrade. You need armor. That's why the Republic room. They have all the weapons in there you need.
I don't have the ability to use them. I don't have the ability to even use armor. So, alright. Oh, alright. I'm alright with this.
Well, we'll be alright with it. Are you sure? Well then. Get into the armored vehicle. I know how to drive this. I know the enemy city. I know the enemy hostile location. I know how to find the enemy reinforcements. There he is. There's a house which is nearby. Prepare to jump. Jump!
Who are these?
Enemy Dark Squid Army. In a Dark Squid Army. They're called enemy Vindicators. They're ready to join the Dark Squid before it happens to join the Banish. Enemy Commander Officer. I think there's too many of them. Fall back into kick cover. Sorry.
Ouch.
My weapons can shoot through it. Ah! There.
But there's more.
There's so many of them. I'll go call some backup. Get cover.
I'm fine.
Oh.
Shit.
Alright. I got some backup. Man, I got some reinforcements to help us. Go, soldiers! Go to the battle station. I got some reinforcements that can take him down. Enemy scout. Right. Enemy scouts are supposed to be ahead of them. They're sending some backup after we free the innocent villagers.
I don't feel so good.
Don't worry, Marionette Gaming. You're supposed to be your power is supposed to be regenerates.
As long as I have enough Phoenix Downs.
Well, but besides that, there you go. Fault Boy troopers over there. Enemy defense system.
What the hell is going on with this madness?
They're activate the nuke. No, they're not going to activate the nuke. They're trying to get ready. They're trying to get full up in Dark Energon first.
Oh shit, I'm flying!
Don't worry, take down the defenses. Don't worry, I can help you. Man, take down the defense system. Get covered in the Marionette Gaming.
Ouch.
Ouch. Shoot the enemies, floaty ones.
Sure.
Look out! Go, go, go! Send backup! Well, how did he get out the enemy turrets, enemy snipers in the trees? Enemy down. This way. To the villagers. The villagers and innocent people in their innocent people to have. And why are you shooting a vehicle? Oh, wow. I see two of them.
Ouch, I don't feel so good. There's too many of them.
Don't worry, we got some backup. The backup will help us a bit.
Ouch. Oh no, I don't have any downs.
I'm going to die. Fall back to kick cover. Send them back up.
Whatever. Should we
There we go. Now we got some innocent. Now we got enemies of the Fault Boy army. Got innocent people got captured. They're hostages. Hostages. I got one.
No, I got this. You just go there.
All right then. I don't have a pickaxe. Someone have a pickaxe.
Minecraft.
Look out! Infection.
Ouch. I'm dying.
Don't go down there. It's a trap.
Oh shit. Ow, fuck.
Reinforcements.
I'm gonna die anytime soon. Everyone's trying to kill me. Should accidentally hit them.
They're targeting enemies. No one hurting them.
They ambushed us.
No.
They betrayed.
No. They're still there. They're stopped now. They're stopped. They're trying to target the enemies.
Let's fix them up.
Let's free them. Wait, do it. Wait here. I go grab a pickaxe.
I can't hold this any longer.
Here. I got one for you.
I can't use it. I don't know how to use it.
Punch it, break it like this. Hold it and break it. There, be free.
There's a lot of them. I don't think one is gonna hold them off. Yeah, let me make an extra one.
Send some backup for a bit here.
Here. We have more freedom there. Now they might be able to get out of it. This.
We're free the innocent people. Come down this way downstairs. The enemies are supposed to be sent no backup. A lot infected bound down there. Sorry. Enemy defense system. Send
We have
some
to
backup.
stop it.
I'm sending in some
We have to
reinforcements.
stop the summoning. We have to stop the summoner. Oh shit, I'm not so good. I don't look so good.
Dang it, these people won't. This way, to the nuke. Enemies using the nuke. These people will stop attacking me.
Oh, I'm dead. Now I have to go all the way back. Because I don't have any Phoenix downs, so.
Somebody of freedom. Everything is secured.
I don't want to use a car, so I'm just gonna use
More hostiles. Ah!
use my teleporting. Where do I go?
Meredith, give me.
Locked.
Oh no, I can help
It's
him.
locked. I can't. Oh.
All right. All right, Meredith, give me. You need to get some armor. Possibly take your cover.
No, I can't.
I
Because
don't.
I was never able to use an armor since it's no use. Come on, let's fight.
We're supposed to have more stronger hostiles. Wrong door. That's a kitchen.
Maybe we should
I
go
found it.
down and stop this summoner.
I found it. Come this way. The door is right here. The door is right here. I found it. No, we have to go this way. We have to go this way.
Oh, it's just overly crowded.
Oh no, oh my goodness!
Let me handle them.
All right, you
Move,
can handle them.
move. You hit me a few times and I barely have any health. So be careful about where you're about hitting.
I will. What? All right, there he is. I got one for
Still
you.
use, man. I need Phoenix downs. I need a lot of them.
I know the one we have here. Let's keep moving down here. We stopped the nuke.
Yeah, we should go slowly because if we go too fast, we might not be able to react fast enough. So we should just take our time. Slowly.
First, we need to clear this room. A spawner. I see a spawner. Ah! Oh my goodness!
Ouch! Who's that shooting?
Zombies. They're shooting at zombies. Why did... Useless!
Ouch!
Attacking me the old way. Good, they already killed their own. Okay, this way.
Okay.
Oh no, there's a nuke.
Then we'll. What do we have? What do
Don't
we have
jump.
to do?
We have to disable it.
Do we have to destroy it?
No, we have to disable the bomb. And we'll set the bomb right here, blow it up right here. The bomb is supposed to be
But
really
don't they
shut
have a
down.
nuclear code, like a nuclear password.
Look out! Zombies! Darkslayer released the undead. Darkslayer, his fault. Send backup.
Oh, there's too many of them.
There's not many of them. One's supposed to be
Too
many
many
of them.
innocent doctors who turn into this. They're
Infection.
trying to do some experiment or they're kidnapped for experiments. We're both way to use them as experiments.
What the hell?
Be careful. There's zombies.
I see one.
Oh, it's the baby one. The baby one is the most annoying.
Ah! I need some milk. I need some backup.
Oh no. I need Phoenix now. Quick.
Got one for you.
Got any Phoenix downs? I need them.
I got one more. I got a last one.
Oh no. We're not gonna survive this.
Oh boy.
There's
Wait
a
a minute.
spawner.
Wait a minute, wait. Maybe I place down the spawner, get some reinforcements.
Oh. I don't know that you can do that. There's so many zombies down there. We can't handle them all.
Right now we got the mod eggs. We can all take them all down. And this with nuke is
Why are they
securing it.
trying to shoot me? Stop shooting me. Ow, stop.
I already attacked this guy.
They're trying to kill.
Wait, stand down. He's really stand down. The other person, you accidentally hit him. This way. I was thinking, no, that we have to clear this place up. Because there's another spawner around here. I already placed down the mod spawner. Now we need some more lights as we have to secure it.
Should I handle the other ones?
Oh,
It's
jeez.
a bit risky, but I'm fine with it.
Okay, now we have to, you have to secure all this place. You see a more hostile zombie, we have to take him down. The zombie wear the armor.
Don't worry. You need backup. You need backup. Repeat.
Okay, there's so many of them. I'm taking cover. I'm taking cover.
Take cover.
Get upstairs, get upstairs. You're safe, they're up there.
I'm not doing.
Okay.
Come on. Maybe we should just teleport down there. Ah!
Maybe a bad idea.
Holy shit!
There's so many of
I
them.
got hit when I was looking down.
That's why there's so many of them. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, oh, jeez. Now we're ready to die. Now we have to go back. We'll have a second life, second chance. Or I could run over there. Now you can run fast over. Or maybe I could take this vehicle next time because the vehicle's sitting right here. I'm grabbing this army vehicle, then we have to deploy. Now I'll get some reinforcements back up. This bay is supposed to be to capture the first house.
What the hell are those things flying?
I don't know, the reaping angel things.
They have swords too.
I know. I don't know what all those things.
Here, come. Just do it by slowly. You don't want to go in too fast. Oh shit!
What the heck? These idiots didn't secure this place. Useless republics.
Come on upstairs. They can handle them.
Ah. Okay, there we go. Now let's move.
Up to them.
Now, last time we have to go to the stairs. Let's take the stairs. Why the people didn't secure it? Art.
You got him.
We're clear.
Wow, let's go. This isn't so good.
Don't worry, we will stop the nuke, and we're supposed to be stop the nuke, and we're ready to end this. Now we have to stop a fall boy.
You don't want to go down early. Oh, let's go. Gotta stop them.
Destroy the
There we
spawners.
go. Yeah.
I destroyed ones. You get some backup? There.
There are backups on the way.
Good. What's this? Wait. Wait a
Ah,
minute.
shit. Sorry I accidentally hit you. Let me move you.
Alright. Better listen. Right now, give me.
Ow.
It's not a bomb. Now, who's shooting me? They're really going to die. Wait. It's not a bomb. Wait a minute.
What is it?
Dark Slayer, you will regret that! He tricked us! He tried to make us fool! And the same with this sign!
They, oh, shit. What are we gonna do?
Now we have to secure this place. Let's secure this place, quickly.
I don't think there's too many of them. I don't think we can do it.
Don't worry. We got them on die mode. We are supposed to be taking all of. We have to secure this place because the undead are supposed to be gathering them all. You guys get stuck.
I'm gonna go downstairs.
All right, these people will attack me. Every death. We have to secure this place. There's so many of them down here. I have no ammo. I have to use a pickaxe. I'm into the battle station. Great. I need some help. I'm trapped. There's only a way to destroy it. Man, get me out of here. I got some surrounding.
Don't worry, I got you.
Here. Thanks.
You okay?
I'm okay.
Here.
I just a little bit scratched. I got my golden apple with me. Look out. Okay. Okay. We have to destroy the spawner. That's their spawners that came from. Dark Slayer placing out some spawners. They have spawners. Find out why they're respawning. I know where they're respawning at. They're respawning in this room. And the pillagers. Enemy hostiles. In there.
Yeah. More reinforcements.
Okay. Let them, their troopers are doing their own thing. Ah, crap! Oh.
Don't worry, I got you.
No way. I think I know where the stairs is. The stairs upstairs. So like easy way to go around up there. Or never mind then. Okay. Now we have to destroy the spawner. Well, thanks for that boost up there.
I'm not feeling so good. I'm dead.
Don't worry.
No.
I cleared this place. Run.
We have to get away from the house.
I'm gonna die. Okay.
What should we do?
Right. Prepare the room. We have to clear this room out. Destroy the spawners. The singer, you ready to destroy the spawners? Search around, destroy the spawners.
I did.
I'll go search.
Fully clear.
Maybe there's more down there. Marina Gaming, you could check the other spawner down there. It's downstairs. I'll go check around this place. For the infection spread everywhere. There's a reinforcement allies.
Where should we go?
Let's go downstairs. I think there's a lot of them down there. We need to get some backup. There's a spawner. I placed down some reinforcements.
Surrounded. I'm surrounded.
Oh boy, I got some place out some spawners in there. Now I gotta clear this place up. Now the reinforcements do their own thing. Let's let them. Okay, you need help? Okay, I got you. I got you. Destroy the spawner. I will cover you.
Okay.
All of you bow down for the darkness from a banish. Crap, crap, crap.
Yeah. Still not over.
A little bit, keep holding up a little bit longer. We're thinking we almost destroyed the spawner. How you doing over there, Meridak Gaming? We almost cleared off. We're doing so good.
Alright. We're almost done.
There.
Alright.
Now what's cleared off?
Done.
Okay, I think the people handle this. Well done, Marinite Gaming. We saved the bomb. Now this bomb is a fake. Curse you, Dark Slayer. Now, let's return back in the base. Finally,
I mean, Thanos is from Marvel, so what do you expect?
we finally supposed to be completed. Now the enemy is supposed to be is kind of bigger. We got one bigger problem here in that gaming, and in the factory, they're not secured yet. Okay. Well, how the heck are we getting eggs? Oh.
There. How do we get out of here?
Oh, wait. There's only way to get out of here. Let's get back to where we just came from. There's the exit.
You alright?
I'm alright. Supposedly I got...
Perhaps you could eat this.
Thank you. Thank you, Marinette Gaming.
There we should go.
I got the spare armor with me. What happened? Wait. Your leg's kind of bit scratch.
What is happening?
Marinette Gaming, fight back, fight it back, fight it back. Use your power to fight back. And who?
It is the friend, Lewis.
Who the hell are you?
I am Upton.
I don't know who
Upton Lucius Caleb. You can call me. So, what did you do to Noctis? And where is he?
I really don't know what you're talking about. I really don't know how are you.
Tell me where Noctis is.
Seriously, I don't know what it is.
That means you want to get killed, huh?
No, seriously, I don't. Hey, look, is that a raccoon over there? Oh, there's Noctis. There's Noctis you're talking about.
I am not dumb enough.
No, seriously.
If that's what you want, then you might have to pay for this.
Great.
Don't even think about trying to defeat me because I'm a part of Lucy's.
I don't know who did this to you. And why are you doing this? No,
Don't even think about escaping. There is no way. I don't want to. Try to give him one last chance. Tell me where Noctis is.
I really don't know what you're talking about here, sir. And now what do you do to Marinette Gaming?
Marinette Gaming is Noctis. That's what. So where is Noctis?
I'm not telling you what it is. I'm not telling you where it is.
You know,
Fault Boy is powerful enough to defeat you.
I don't think he's going to do it. See, I've destroyed, I took over a whole city and killed the king, which is not his father, and now I can have full control of it. I can send all the troops, all of my soldiers to attack you, and you will all be killed. So better tell me where Noctis is before you all get killed.
That's a planet Reach! You started this! You destroyed the planet Reach! For the old past!
Boy stands a chance against us. So don't even think. So don't even think about trying to lie and get away with it. Because that's not going to work. Now.
You started this war, did you?
Well, we put it like this. Yes. And if you don't tell me where Noctis is, you, everyone on your team will all be killed, and the boy will never stand a chance. Tell me where it is now.
I'm not telling you what it is. Here. What happened to Marinette Gaming? Attention all unit! Prepare to engage at that thing!
So, we'll meet again, friend.
Oh. Where is it? Wait a minute. I can run him over. got ran him over. I got really ran over this vehicle. Ah, where'd it go? Wait. Rena Gaming. What happened to you? Who is this person? Wake up.
What?
That person that started the war. Who was that?
Who are you talking about?
That person that someone said looking for you to something. Looking for the last father he killed last time the separatists started a war. I know.
This must be Arden. Don't have. Did you actually tell them where I was?
No.
Good. Oh.
I don't know who that person is and how did it do controlling you in your mind.
He is Arden. And he has the same blood as we do.
Right.
So.
How to remove it?
He can't. Yeah. We'll always have the same blood. The only way is to defeat him. He's even harder than Old Boy. So. We have to leave. Now.
14 more to send of reinforcements. Get on the vehicle. I don't know how you're supposed to be started. Now we have to keep it in a meeting. It's killing innocent people. Okay. Do you know how to drive this?
I heard of, but not that great. I crushed my dad's vehicle a lot, and yeah, I kind of messed up a lot.
You crashed.
I wasn't good at driving.
Wow, that's why you can't drive for a bit. You never drive this army vehicle. Well, you're already supposed to know how to drive this vehicle. There's only a drive to crash land it. Okay, we're here to the base. Now we have to mean how do we supposed to figure out to defeat the other person beside the fault boy?
Where? I need a shelter. I need a place to stay, so where?
You can stay at this place. My base is far away. We have bedrooms around here.
Can you just show me an empty room?
Alright, I'm showing it. It's empty. No.
This isn't empty. Irene, whatever that is.
That's the exit. I think there's a room upstairs or something. Well, crap. Alright, grab your bed for you. Okay. Got your room, everything right here for you. Got some sword shields and sword on diamond. Crossbow guns, you can try it out. Ammo, and the same with your weapons and shields on diamond too. If you can try it out, the weapons and know how to use it to fight back. And don't forget, I'm trying to get these garbage. Infection is supposed to be spread everywhere. But we don't know how to lock them up.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome. I can meet you. I can see you there in a meeting room. I can meet you in the room like not far nearby. A meeting room right here. Now get your rest here. Get some rest, and I'll be in it up. I'll figure out how to be defeated this thing inside your mind.
Alright.
Alright. I don't know what that thing is.
Oh. It's already started? Okay. I'll be in the meeting room.
Oh, hello there. Good morning, Marinette Gaming. How's your rest doing?
Yeah, it's fine.
Good. This way to the meeting room. Oh, no, this way. All right. Now, we need to figure out how we defeated them. What did you plan to defeat the Fault Boy and the other person too?
You mean Arden?
Yes, that.
Well, continue.
Alright. Alright then. You trying to say something? Oh well. Okay.
I'm fine.
Well, the last time we really stopped in the bomb, the dark and full of dark energon, but it's not full of dark energon. But there's only a positive important happening today. They're sending out they're looking for the Halo ring. We destroy kills everyone on this planet. Wipe out all of the infection. Kind of banish, covenant, everything in Goblins. And your friends too.
My friends, I don't even know where I can find them.
Maybe they're out there, they're hiding. Because the last time you're already gone, the dark squid is supposed to be
They camp a lot, so that could be true.
Yes. And now we are supposed to be teaming up. Now we have how to figure out defeat a Dark Slayer, Vault Boy, Dark Squid. And I captured one Dark Squid who's really got captured. That's supposed to be gone all the time. That's what I found you.
What should we do?
Now we figured out how we defeated them. Now we need to figure out the infections that we have to stop first. Infected first. Infection is supposed to be not that far into the base. We will stop them. It's supposed to be all my troopers are supposed to be down there to abandon infections. That a bunch of zombies everywhere. Now, only way we're gonna shut them down, we have to blow it up to block their hold. No, we have to shut them down because the machine's supposed to be still going. If the machine's supposed to be stops, that we have to rebuild their factory and no more infections ever again. But we got a bigger problem for that. The Fault Boy, the planning something new Dark Slayer, supposed to be the commander officer, traitor of the Republic. I don't know why they're joining the Dark Squid Army. Dark Squid Army just didn't care. Just want everything Dark Squid Army that could take over in Goblins. And now, happens.
Who is that person?
Don't judge him. He should do their own job.
Does he have something to tell?
I don't know. Give me that look before. Anyways. Right now, this person right here just didn't trust me because he's keeping an eye on me. And do you mind? Well, ignore this guy. So I don't know why he's here. What happened? We have to stop the Fault Boy. What's supposed to be happen to the end of this world. That means the world is supposed to be covered in infection, the dark energon zombies. It happens to us. We supposed to be never stop them, and we both died. It turned out the dark Fault Boy army turned us into the undead zombies. Supposed to be a commander. Final hunting down people. Never been stopped. Get infection.
What should we do?
We're the only we could do. We figured out how we defeated them. Now we have to shut it down to the factory. The factory is supposed to be zombie infection spreads. But we really stopped them. We have to use a close and find a switch and shut them down. And nothing happened again. And happens at the end, we really stop a Fault Boy and the other person.
Alright.
Then happens.
Shall we begin?
Well, to begin, you go first to planning something new, try to distract the other person. How do you try to fight it back if you got another enemies inside your head? There's only way we have to remove it. Maybe we have to give you something powerful to keep yourself in your mind. Now the other person is supposed to be controlling your mind. Now I can clone myself and connect to your brain, and I can help you hold them off to this person. With clones of me. And we will supposed to be back to the enemies again. I'm supposed to be wipe out the whole planet! A planet supposed to be our victory.
What?
But We possibly figured out just yet I could never build a city for my own people. While you possibly have you destroyed this into my droid factory. Last time you know old separatists, I joined a separatist. Right now the old separatists already destroyed your home. I was there before. Then happened to your home planet. Your planet supposed to be never stop at a Vault Boy. We will supposed to be stopping with the crystals. Both powerful crystals, we will stop him. Right now, I got something my own crystal, you're the one never seen before. And I got 2 crystals supposed to be inside my chest. Waiting for you. There. This crystal right here, we both the same crystal we have. That's for the power leadership crystal. That means we both will have to stop him. Now, happens your planet at the end, we at the end. Right now, at the end of this final battle, Cameron supposed to be don't decide. Hero Brian don't decide. Cameron supposed to be didn't care. There's a lesson. I wanted to end. I wanted my body. I want myself to be deaf. To the end of this battle, for the final battle, we stop a Vault Boy and the Dark Squid. We both already defeated him. Now we're both enemies again. This final battle, I want at the end. This final battle against 2 of us, and then the final battle. No, I finally be free.
We're gonna fight at the end, right?
Yes, the end of Dark Squid and Vault Boy first. And the other person inside your mind. I use this crystal to possibly call.
He won't be defeated. If the only way he can be defeated is if I sacrifice myself.
What?
And then kill him in the afterlife.
How do you get back in the dead?
I won't be. I'll be dead. And then I'll just vanish from existence.
No.
Many sacrificed for me, and now I have to sacrifice for myself. That's they said. Many sacrificed the king, and so the king will sacrifice for all, and that's what I'm going to do.
There's only the way we can help you.
The only way to kill them is if I go back to insomnia, then turn into the king, and then make all the summoners kill me so I can kill out in the afterlife. And after that, I'll vanish from existence. That's the only way. And if Arden continues to live like this world will never be safe.
So
I have to sacrifice myself for the sake of everyone who sacrificed for me. So there's no other option.
Oh, that sucks.
But before that, I'll help you. I'll help you fight the others.
What? Possibly you get to your half of the society, your people, the end of final battle. You supposed I supposed to be free. What happens the rest of me to clone a bunch of me to rebuild me again. Because I ready the machine.
Well, shall we get going?
Yes, let's get going. There's only first mission we have to go. Find, destroy the shut down infection factory. The factory is supposed to be covered in infected zombies. Now, let's get to work. Grab something you need. Let's get going. Your home planet Reach, your Reach is supposed to be saved. Right now, I found your Reach, your planet home destroyed, Marinette Gaming. Your home is still here, and your people still here. You still survive with Reach after I started a war.
Well, we should go.
Well, you're right. Let's get going then. Attention all units. Prepare to gather some of my troopers ready. Marinette Gaming's troopers. Now is the only way to defeat them darkness and stop infection, stop spreading. We possibly need to call some backup. Because of your troopers would only have army V troopers left. But We're not going to drive this vehicle. I take you somewhere to drive. You could probably know how to drive with a helicopter. But it wasn't be as hard to trick you to drive this one helicopter. Are you ready to defeat the enemy Fall Boy and a Dark Squid? We're finally at the end. And we both battle each other to the end and the next episode. Let's get to work.